Are you all doing good? Yes. What about your kids? Are they all fine? Yes, right? Yeah, I welcome you all for the day 10 English online reading class. And today's topic is how to introduce or how to blend vowel I along with all the consonant. In my previous class, I have shown how to blend vowel E along with all other consonant. The same way, today I'll show you how to blend vowel I along with all the consonant. I'm going to use different colors of chalk piece to differentiate the different sounds of each vowel, and that's going to be really easy for your kids to remember the sounds as well as vowels. So for vowel A, I'm using green color, and for vowel E, I'm using orange color, and for vowel I, I'm using pink color, and for O, yellow color, and for U, it's blue color. And the sounds are A, E, O, A. Now the consonants. Now what are the consonants? B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. Bite your lower lip and say V. This you don't need to bite your lower lip. W, W, S, Y, and Z. Now let me show you how to blend vowel I and the consonants. So I'm going to use the same color, pink color chalk piece for writing vowel I, and sound of vowel I, it is E. That's the common sound. E. 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 When I join vowel E, vowel I with consonant B, E, B. Separate the sound E, B. Now ask your child to say a little faster together, like E, B. Little faster, E, B. Faster, E, B. E, B. Ib. So we should teach the concept of making them join together these letters E and B together. Ib. Ib. The same way, E, K. The sound of C is K. E, K. Now faster, E, K. Ik. Ik. Again I'll show you. E and D. The sound of D is D. Okay, when you ask your child separately what is the sound of I, they may be able to say it's E. And when you ask the sound of D, they'll say it's D. When you are asking them to join together, they feel a little difficult. So this is the method. You can ask them to say a little faster. E, D, I, D, id, id. Join together. Ib, ik, id, I, f, I, f, if, if, I, g, ig, ig, I, h, ich, I, j, ij, I, k, ik, I, l, il, I, m, im. While introducing this particular topic, that means when you are making your child joining vowel I along with all the consonants, try to include all the consonants so that they will be thorough with the concept of joining the sounds, joining or blending the sounds. I, N, in, I, P, ip, I, K, ik. If your child is a beginner, please do not include these letters, letter R, W and Y. The reason for that is the next level of our teaching is formation of three-letter words. When we form a three-letter word using these letters, as well as when we use vowel and these letters, that leads to a different sound. That may create a small confusion for our little one. So I'm not going to use these letters now. We will do a separate session for these letters for our tiny one. Now, I, S, is, I, T, it, I, B, iv, I, S, its, I, z, is. So this is the end of the session 10, day 10. Hope this video will be a useful one for you. I'll see you all soon in our next class. That's our day 11 class, in which I'll show you how to blend vowel O along with all consonant. So till that, take care. Bye bye.